So in today's video, I don't normally weed whack. We have people that use our equipment and weed whack, but we're having the kid, our 15-year-old weed whack. Anyways, so getting this STIHL, it's a FS38, getting it going yesterday. This string head, I was messing with the string for a bit. It worked for a while, then the string ran out. Screw that. That is a pain. So, went to the hardware store. I don't know what everybody's opinion is, but this Polycut 6.2 works on this. It's got these regular, like mower style blades. It comes with like, I don't know, 6 or so. So anyways, we're gonna try this out, see how it works. They tell you on the back what they work with. There's the FS38's on there. So we're gonna try this out, see how it goes. I don't know how long these little blades are gonna last, but swap it out. Pretty simple process. This ran about $25 at Ace Hardware. The instructions: when the blade gets down to the stop or past, throw them away. You can also, though, put on this head, you can put string in it. The little pre-cut string like that, you can put those on the end also. So that's pretty cool. Screwdriver, you just push in on this middle piece and turn to the left, and that'll unthread the end on the old head. And pull that off. There's a spring right there. I think we're gonna use this cap on the new head, I believe, but I'm not sure yet. This will all pull out, but actually the whole thing will pull off now, like that. But there's a spring in there. And this middle piece pulls out where you put string. So this piece will go on, this will go on first, like that. And then these are the blades. It comes with 6 of them. You'll have to order some replacements. I'm not sure how long it lasts. You can see the stop. Then you put the blades on those studs and put it on like so. It's gonna be hard to do like that, but you get the point. So you'll have to keep it at somewhat of a downward angle when you thread the white part of the head on. Otherwise, these will fall off if you have it upside down. Now they're trapped and they can't come out, and it's ready to use. You just hold the black right head and the right blades for your weed whacker. There's different styles out there, different heads, different blades. So this is what we're dealing with. I'll let you know how long these blades last. I mean, we cut around a lot of rocks and everything, so 15-year-old's using this. As long as he keeps it off of the rocks, it should last. This is his first time weed whacking. That's why he's running the throttle like that, but he'll get the hang of it. Here in about 10 minutes, he'll be running with a lot more throttle, but he's just finding his groove. Thing seems like it works pretty good though. Thing's shredding everything. I already like it better than dealing with that string. Boy can work. Boy, not so much work. Of this weed whacker.